Yes, I lost $500. You're laughing, right? It's not funny. It's not funny. That's a joke, by the way. Although I lost $500, it's not funny. But guys, the mistake I made, I'm going to tell you the same thing so that you won't make that same mistake. I'm going to tell you the system that gave me that $500. Okay, if you are just joining my YouTube channel for the first time, my name is 𝐶𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐓𝐀𝐿. Digital, you're welcome. I love you guys. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. And if you are returning partner, you are returning family, I just want to say thank you for coming around again to watch my video. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to explain to you what I did that made me $500. And
hello boss, this is how to subscribe to my channel. First thing, click on this red button that says subscribe. When you do that, it's going to tell you subscribed. So there's a button beside it like a bell. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see none, personalized, and all. Click on all. Then to further help my channel, you give this video a like so that more people can see it by clicking on this 19 and make it 20. Thank you so much. God bless you.
the mistake I made, that I don't want you to make the same mistake. I don't want you to make the same mistake. So guys, I registered an Amazon Associate program, and Amazon Associate program is a program that allow you to share, to pick a product and tell people about the product. And when you do that, they give you a commission. All right, when you do that, they give you a commission. This particular one is called Amazon Bounty program. This Amazon Bounty program has been around for years. Now, the Amazon Bounty program, all you just need to do, get a link, share the link with people. When your people register with that link, you make $6 for yourself. Per person, you make $6. So the more person you get, the more dollar you're making. That's the same thing I did. Now, the challenge, the mistake I made was I shared that link in my closed WhatsApp group and also in my closed Telegram channel. So for that reason, Amazon sent me a message that they could not track my source of traffic, so they have to close my account. They delete the account. Right, I know this may interest you, like you also want to make that same 500 I made, because it's simple to make. Now, if you register on Amazon, first thing you need to do is to register on Amazon Associate program. You can click on this link here, click on that link there. It's going to take you to the video I made on how to register an Amazon Associate program. After which you've done that, then the next thing you want to register for the Bounty program. So there are two Bounty programs, which is the baby registry and the wedding registry. When you register on the baby registry, at the particular time you put there, they're going to bring a gift for you for your baby. And when you register for the wedding registry, at the particular time you put there, they're going to bring a gift for your wedding. Simple as they're just giving out free gift for people. They're also getting more people to know about their programs. Okay, that's the same thing you are telling people about the free gift, about the program. So for you to get started on that, I'm gonna drop the link here also, or you can check my my description, the description of this video. You're gonna see it there also. So once you do those two things, you register for Amazon Associate, and also you register for the Bounty program. Then the next thing you want to do, you want to go to your Facebook account. This is where the mistake I made come from. When you go, I told you I shared it with my Telegram channel and WhatsApp. So what you want to do now, there's the solution. The solution is what I want to share now. The solution is for you to open a Facebook page. I think I've done a video on Facebook page in the past year. I'm going to drop it there, or you can even check the description box of my video and click the link to know how to open a Facebook page. So after which you set up your Facebook page, the next thing you want to do is that you go to that Facebook page, write something about the Amazon Bounty program, then drop your Bounty program there. The Bounty program link, your referral link there, and make it know that this is my referral link to Amazon Bounty program. Now, when you drop your referral link there, what you need to do, you go back to your Instagram, you go back to your Telegram, you go back to your WhatsApp, then you drop it there by saying that, oh, go to my Facebook page. This is the link to the Facebook page. Go and sign up for your Amazon Bounty program there. You're going to see the link for that Amazon Bounty program. With that doing, when Amazon want to track your source of traffic, they are going to see that, oh, is coming from Facebook. Because when you're signing up on your Amazon Associate program, you will have put it there like, oh, I'm getting my source of traffic from Facebook. This is what you need to do right now. So for you guys to jump into this opportunity, I don't want you to just close your mind that you're not going to jump into the opportunity. Jump into the opportunity, create your Facebook page, then post the link on your Facebook page, write some nice word, tell people it's a free stuff that people can gain from. Amazon is giving out free stuff for people that are getting wedded, for people that are they're expecting their baby. Even though if you are not expecting your baby, or you are not getting wedded soon, or you are not getting wedded soon rather. Okay, so that's what you just need to do. And when you do that, when people click on the link, you make $6 for yourself. So let's say you get 50 people in a day to use that link. Since it's free to register, you know how much you will be making for yourself. So guys, that's what I want to share with you today, guys. If you see any value in this video that I've just shared with you, you know what we do. Please just give this video a thumbs up. That will be enough. If you think that's not enough, because you have not subscribed to my channel and you like the kind of video I'm giving you guys, you can also subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to know when I'm going to release another video.
Hello boss, this is how to subscribe to my channel. First thing, click on this red button that says subscribe. When you do that, it's going to tell you subscribed. So there's a button beside it like a bell. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see none, personalized, and all. Click on all. Then to further help my channel, you give this video a like so that more people can see it by clicking on this 19 and make it 20. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Like, come away again, my name is 𝐒𝐔𝐁𝐒. I say remain blessed and bye for now.